turn the water on. There we go. So right now I have it on off, but we're going to have it on so that we can actually inject some fertilizer. So when you turn the water on, you hear it start clicking. One of the things you want to check is that it's actually, here we go, it's actually sucking up your fertilizer. Just pull it out of this tank just for a second. You can see it's sucking up fertilizer. Put it back in there. It primes itself right away. So you notice it clicks slower or faster depending on the water flow. But now I don't want to put fertilizer on anymore. So I decide I turn it to off. And it stops clicking. There we go.